4 Pebbles meditation. The practice today is a wonderful way to come back to the presence, our bodies and minds, with assistance of physical objects that we can hold in the palm of our hands. Therefore, before starting, you will need to find 4 small items such as rock, pebbles, marbles, coins, or anything else that you can easily hold in your hand. If nothing can be used for this purpose at the moment, you can simply imagine the pebbles in your mind instead. In that case, you are welcome to make them the shape and color that is most pleasing to you. We will start by simply sitting comfortably, finding a position that is stable and good for the back. You can also easily practice while lying down and even standing. Place the pebbles or other small items to your left, and if you're standing, you could even use your left pocket, which makes this practice very appropriate to do in public. It is possible to practice with your eyes closed, as long as you can easily locate and grab the chosen objects during the meditation. Each pebble or object represents a certain state of our being. The first pebble represents freshness and aliveness. The second one represents stability and strength. The third one stands for calm and stillness. And the last one represents openness and freedom. Take a few deep breaths to arrive in this moment fully. Then allow the breathing to be natural and pick up the first pebble or chosen object with your left hand. Wrap your palm around it, feeling the object. Imagine it is a beautiful blooming flower. Imagine its delicate petals and how they would feel to the touch. Imagine the life force that made this flower grow. And as you breathe in, see the similar beautiful blooming flower inside of you. This is the flower of freshness and aliveness within each of us. We simply sometimes forget to cultivate this flower within, resulting often in burnout and unnecessary suffering. To cultivate this freshness and joy of the flower within, you can move the pebble or object to your right hand, feeling its shape, weight, and texture, and breathing in, say softly in your mind, breathing in, I see myself as a flower. And breathing out, say quietly, breathing out, I feel fresh and alive. And repeat 2 more times, gently moving the pebble from hand to hand and repeating, breathing in, I see myself as a flower. Breathing out, I feel fresh and alive. And 1 more time. Breathing in, I see myself as a flower. Breathing out, I feel fresh and alive. Place the first pebble to your right side and pick the second pebble with your left hand. Wrap your palm around it, feeling its shape, weight, and texture. Imagine it is a mountain, and you can also see yourself as a mountain. We can be stable and strong within just like a mountain, not moved by emotions or troubles. And by cultivating this solid state within us, we can help others in the world. So to cultivate the stability of the mountain within you, I invite you to move the pebble to your right hand, feeling the qualities of the pebble again, and breathing in, say in your mind, breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Breathing out, I feel stable and strong. Repeating 2 more times, moving the pebble from hand to hand and saying, breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Breathing out, I feel stable and strong. Breathing in, I see myself as a mountain. Breathing out, I feel stable and strong. Place the second pebble to your right side and pick up the third pebble with your left hand. This pebble represents calm, still water. You can visualize a lake with water so still that it reflects the nature surrounding it perfectly. It becomes a perfect mirror with no distorted reflections. That kind of calmness and stillness is also necessary in our busy, hectic environments these days, so we can make better and wiser decisions based on facts, not distortions. Of course, we can cultivate this calm within as well. Moving the pebble to the right hand, remembering it as a still water, saying softly, breathing in, I see myself as still water. Breathing out, I feel calm and peaceful. Continuing the breathing and moving pebble from hand to hand, saying 2 more times. Breathing in, I see myself as still water. Breathing out, I feel calm and peaceful. Breathing in, I see myself as still water. Breathing out, I feel calm and peaceful. Place the third pebble to your right side and pick up the last pebble with your left hand. Wrap your palm around it, feeling its shape, weight and texture, and imagine it's a vast space. Imagine a similar inner space inside of you, all that open space that fills each atom in your body. It gives you freedom to make choices, express yourself, let go of unwanted habits, learn new skills. This inner space and freedom allow us to be open to all experiences and to accept ourselves and others. To cultivate this space and freedom within, you can move the last pebble to your right hand, and breathing in, say softly in your mind, breathing in, I see myself as space, and breathing out, say quietly, breathing out, I feel open and free. Repeat 2 more times, gently moving the pebble from hand to hand and repeating, breathing in, I see myself as space. Breathing out, I feel open and free. Breathing in, I see myself as space. Breathing out, I feel open and free. You can place the last pebble on your right side and remain in your position for a short moment of stillness. If helpful, closing your eyes and taking a few deeper breaths again. Briefly sensing your hands or sensations in the body in general. Before we finish today's practice, I invite you to reflect on whether anything changed in your mental or emotional state during this practice. Is there a bit more freshness, aliveness, a bit more stability and strength? Is there some level of calm, peace, or freedom? Whenever you are ready, in your own time, open your eyes if they were closed, move or stretch as needed, and return to your surroundings. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you will look and find these 4 pebbles of freshness, stability, stillness, and openness within yourself, and that you will return here to cultivate these states whenever needed.